Good Wednesday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather here on Wednesday, April the 23rd. My name's Noah McGalliard, and we're back here with another evening weather blog. In today's video, we're going to break down tomorrow's weather, what's in store for the 6-day forecast, and our next chance of potentially seeing some severe weather could come next Tuesday. Let's talk about all that. But first, let's talk about what we're currently seeing across the area. Right now, we have some scattered showers and storms continuing to be ongoing, but most of that has stayed to our south. You have seen some more scattered showers, really, but a lot of that has been over this general portion of the coverage area today. We've had seen other scattered showers elsewhere, but not a whole lot going on. If we take a not a whole lot for a whole lot of people, some people that did end up seeing rainfall. They ended up getting a bunch of rainfall today, or a decent amount, and we still have some more rain chances in store for tomorrow. Taking a look at what the HRRR model shows for what potential rainfall total or what potential rain chances we have in store for tomorrow. We're going to take a look at future radar for your Thursday time frame. Remember, this isn't always going to be perfect. It's one of the many tools we use to build a forecast, not the only tool. So remember, this just helps us get a general idea. So remember that. We're going to start this off at 9 p.m. Throughout the rest of the night tonight, you're going to notice there's going to be some break in the coverage for most of the area. But then if you look off over here to your east, you can see another cluster of some storms and showers potentially making its way towards us by tomorrow afternoon. Some more scattered thunderstorms that could develop by that late afternoon time frame. Could see that try to move through the area and continue to bring us some rain chances into your day or through your evening and afternoon hours. And then into Friday, pretty much same general scenario. Maybe some showers, maybe a little bit of less chance. We'll have to watch, though, closely with that, as always, as we go forward there into the future. And once again, let's go ahead and jump into what we're talking about for the rest of today's forecast, or really for the rest of the next 6 days here through the 24th, through the 29th, through this Thursday, through the rest of this weekend and into the Tuesday time frame. Starting off with Thursday, you can see some afternoon storms. High is going to be in the lower 80s, as we've seen really throughout this week so far. Overnight low is going to be in the mid 60s, 40% chance of some showers and storms there. Then on Friday, some scattered thunderstorms, maybe a few peaks of sun here and there with highs in the lower 80s. Really, that trend's going to continue throughout the beginning of this weekend and into next week. You're going to have some clouds, some sun, maybe some small chances of rainfall here and there. Some areas will have higher rain chances. Once again, though, on Friday, scattered thunderstorms will be likely with highs in the lower 80s. Overnight lows in the lower 60s. On Saturday, afternoon thunderstorms with highs in the upper 70s there. Maybe a few lower 80s possible there with overnight lows in the mid 60s. 40% chance of some afternoon storms. We will have to watch that closely. Once again, you're going to have to watch really that Thursday, Friday, Saturday time frame for some thunderstorm chances really in the afternoon time frame with some events that we've had, some mesoscale events that we've had off over in the Texas Panhandle area, or just West Texas, Texas-Oklahoma area, that try to make their way towards us by that afternoon time frame and bring us some rain. But then on Sunday, maybe some partly cloudy skies there on Sunday and Monday. Lower rain chances around 20 to 10%. High's going to be in the lower to mid 80s, and overnight lows in the mid 60s really throughout this time frame. We really start to build into that summer, start building towards that summer-like pattern in terms of temperatures. Tuesday, we are going to keep a close eye on that. That's our next round of potential severe weather. We have that marked yellow right now on the day, up there on the day, for the chance some evening thunderstorms. High is going to be in the lower to mid 80s, overnight lows in the mid 60s, 40% chance of some thunderstorms and showers in the evening. Taking a look at that severe weather outlook, here's a look at it regionally. Right now, there's still a lot of uncertainty regarding this, so just remember we're not going to give exact details on this. But once again, we do have that slight risk in place for portions of the coverage area, really that I-30 corridor right now, and north and east or west of that corridor, off into portions of Dallas, northeast Texas, over to the pretty much eastern Oklahoma area, northwestern Arkansas, really across that area, and further north as well, with that broad day 7 slight risk that we'll watch closely. Remember, as we get closer, we'll start to iron out some more details. Just one of the many things that we're going to keep a close eye on for you here as we go forward throughout this time frame. Once again, Just want to say big thanks to all of our sponsors. That's all we have for today's Outlook. These short little videos here, just basically breaking down what's in store for the rest of this week. Once again, big thanks to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Bumper to Bumper, Southern Dumpster Rentals, Landmark Insurance Agency, Patterson's Credit Union, Tan Energy and Nutrition, and Fort Smith Therapy. Big thanks to all of them for helping us get this information to you. We have some major things in the work behind the scenes for some very big things for our severe weather coverage in the future, so stay tuned for that as well as we go over, or as we get that set up for the future, looking very forward, and we are very blessed to be able to do this. If you like what you see here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to check us out over on Facebook, Instagram, here on YouTube, and over on TikTok. We have a lot of posts that we do. A lot of our posting is over on Facebook, but we have a lot of platforms that we try to reach out on and try to help keep you weather aware. And as always, have a good rest of your Wednesday evening. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.